Hi, this is Jessica Ziegler with Vestor Logic, and today we're going to do a brief intro to FBML for Facebook fan pages. So what is FBML? FBML is Facebook's version of HTML, which is the same programming language that's used all over the web, and it is very, very similar to HTML. There are a couple of proprietary tags that they use. Especially if you're developing applications, you'll end up using a lot of those. But for what we're doing, there will only be a couple that you might need. Things for putting Flash on your page or putting a video on your page, you would end up using a FB tag for that. So let's take a look at our page, and we'll go over to a page that we've created. You can only do this on pages. You cannot do it on your profile. So we will go to a page that we admin and go to Edit Page. And then down at the bottom, you're going to see More Applications. And I have static FBML right here because I use it a lot, but if you don't, just browse and enter static FBML and you'll get to this page where you can then add it. Add to my page. And it'll show you all the different pages you have. So I'm going to add it to that page, then close this. And then we're going to go back to our airline page, and you'll see right here is the FBML under Applications. So when we go in to edit that, you're going to see an area where you can put the title. This will be the title for your tab if you make this a tab on your fan page, and an area to enter your FBML. This will be very close to HTML. In fact, for what we're going to do today, we're just going to use straight HTML. Let's call this Bookings because we're an airline. And I'm going to hop over here and I'm going to grab some code that I've already written and pop that in. Simple stuff, table, image, link. Nothing here is any different that you would see from a basic HTML page. There's nothing fancy in here. I do recommend using a target equals underscore blank when you are linking to something so that your link then opens up in a new window. So let's save changes. Then we'll go back to our airline test page, and you'll see this automatically made a tab for us. If we don't want this to be a tab, we can click on it, and you see this little pencil here, and that will enable you to delete the tab. We'll leave it there for now. So you can see this is a very simple table, a couple of background colors, a border, some text. I had to put a font face on that to control the text. Image with a link. If I click that, it's just going to go over to our website because that's what I linked it to. So let's go back and get rid of this tab. And now it's not going to appear in here right now. What you're going to have to do to get it back is to go back to Edit Page, go back to, it's called Bookings now that we've added a table. Go to your Application Settings, and here you can see Tab, and add it right there, or remove it should you want to. Then go to OK. Go back to View Page, and it'll appear again. If it's not appearing right away, you might have a whole bunch of tabs up here. Just look under your plus sign, and it should appear here, and you can put it up there. You might want to, if you don't have enough room, you might want to get rid of some of the things that you're not really using. And you can also drag this over here. You can't go any further than Wall or Info. Those are always your first tabs. And this Getting Started tab, as we talked about before, will eventually go away once we've done some other stuff to our page. So why would you use FBML? If you use FBML, you have a lot more control over a tab on your page. You can use it to create a brand message. You can use it in a graphic way. You can also put forms on it, a newsletter sign up. You can also add Google Analytics so you can see the numbers going to your tab. You can add Flash, which is a great way to do more advanced applications because you can do all of your Flash stuff in one swift and just call it right from there. The one thing you do have to do is allow for a click. So your first screen for Flash might say click here to begin or something like that. It will not auto start. That's just a thing that Flash has. So a thing that Facebook has. So I hope that was helpful, and take a look for more screencasts on vestorlogic.com. Thanks a lot for watching.